And Hashem says, he makes them alive, and he says, doesn't make them so, he says, Yaru al Hagesher Gehenim, walk on the bridge of Gehenim, like there's a tight rope. Go over him, and they go. They get to get in front of it. It becomes like the Gesher, the bridge becomes like a chut, like a rope. But nicely, they fall in Ganem. They start off at a bridge. They all start walking, and the bridge becomes smaller. They can't go back. They go over Gehenim. What happens to them, Michael? They fall into Gehenim. Umiyad Yisrael misyorim v'orimim lefonov. The Jews get nervous. This is the time of the end of days. What you do to the goyim, you're going to do to us. What you do to the goyim, you're going to do to us. Who are you? At the end of time, there's going to be an identity crisis. Who are you? Identify yourself. Bring your identity card. Who are you? Who are you? What do you mean, who am I? God, you know who I am? I'm from Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. You know who I am? Then he asks, who are you? Identify. We're Jews. We're your nation. We're your people. She looks at them. Me made. Bring me proof. You said your word. Bring me proof. Bring me witnesses bring me witness that you are my nation and my people. Bring me proof. Who's going to bring proof? Hazino Hashamayim Badaber of the heavens. Someone has to bring a proof. They'll bring me witnesses that you are a Jew and you're my nation. Bring them to me. What? Yodei Ashur Koneo. Because a shore knows its master. Do the Jewish people know about God? And if you say you're religious, do you really know about God? Do you follow God? Are you totally in? What are you? Who are you? What kind of deeds do you do? Do you really believe Moshe? Or it's just another outfit you're wearing? The religious outfit. What kind of outfit? Who are you? Identify your soul. Who are you going to say witness on? It is the end of time. And who's there? Eliyahu Hanavi, the Mashiach, the Torah, the Shekhinah, everything is in front of you. Who are you? Identify yourself. They bring Avram. They say we have a witness as Avram. They bring Avram. Meir ator shehem ami ve'ani elokim. Are these my people and I am their God? Are they my people really? Are they my real people? Are they following the rules and regulations? Omer lefana ribono shalom lokein amarta li begam hagoy asher yavdu don anochi. Didn't we not say that? Didn't you say that these are my nation? This is not good. I don't accept it. Bring me another witness. Another one. But you know, Arimim Yitzchak. They say Yitzchak now comes forward. Are you going to say a witness that these are the people and I am their God? What do you mean, I am the people and God? What does that mean? Master of the universe. God, didn't you say that you're the one who's going to give the Jews the nation? This is the nation you promised. What does Hashem say? Nope. I don't like that. Get rid of you. There's not a good enough witness for me. He said, we'll bring Yaakov. So down. Who's down? Avram's no good. And Yitzchak's no good. Then I bring Yaakov. I am these are my people. There's an identity card. Who are these people? Who are they? Who are you? At the end of time, shut the book. At the end of time, they're going to ask, who are you? What are you? Prove you're Jewish. Prove that you belong to the Jewish people and that God is your God. Maybe you got a different God. You want a different Sinai. You believe in different ideas, different religions, different ideas. You have the wrong picture. Who knows what kind of idol you have in your head? Who knows what you believe in? You believe in tzaddikim, not God. Who knows what you believe in? Prove it. Prove that I'm your God. Prove it. Prove it. Bring the proof. You hear this? At the end of time, yes, bring proof that you're my people, and there's an identity crisis at the end of time. Who are you? Define it. Prove it. You have to bring proof. So Abraham came by, the proof is no good. Yitzchak came by, the proof is no good. Now you got Yaakov. Yes, huh? Ribono shel olam. L'kacha marta lehem. Did you not say lo yelchem mekim achar yishrei near the God? Ve'hein omrim Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad. They say Shema Yisrael. Botzer shor over HaKadosh Baruch Hu ve'hein achreim. So God says, okay, I'll take them over. They pass the bridge and then they fall into Gehenna. No, because what? They say Shema Yisrael. What do we learn from this? Every day, a man has an identity crisis. Who are you and what you are? Every day you have to say, yes, Hashem, I'm all yours. I'm your nation, and you're my God. I'm going to follow you. We say every day, Shema Yisrael Hashem. This is our motto, and this is the thing that will pull us through in the time of an identity crisis. When a guy's in trouble, what does he do? He's in that Shema Yisrael. No, operation. What does he do? Shema. Shema Yisrael. It's the strongest form that Hashem is one. The Yichud Hashem. The Mekubalim and the Hasidim, they say Yud-Kei Vav-Kei, but that's really the same story. Same story. You recognize God, Hashem, Hashem Echad. This is the whole stuff. It's the beginning, the middle, and end. Identity, and every day we have to do it twice a day. An identity crisis, and we need that identity, that when it comes to the Mussar Mashiach, and we're going to have to go to Gehenna, and all the going to fall into Gehenna, and a lot of Jews who don't say Shema Yisrael, who knows what they'll be? They'll fall off the wayside. You don't say, not saying, feeling it, and expressing it. And it's not simple. We said yesterday, Ani Hashem Elokeichem, from there we learned what? That gives you happiness and joy. That's the incentive motive. Today, it explained, but in order to do that, you have to have an identity. Who are you? Shema Yisrael is an identity. Of what? We are God's nation, and God is our God. We are His nation. But who's going to say Shema Yisrael? Only the Jews. Why don't say Shema? Because they can't say, "Hear, O Israel, Lord our God, our Lord is one." Well,
what's the proper kavanah?
Then you have to open up. There's a thick book like this, written by Rabbi Zevin on Shema Yisrael Hashem, just those words. A thick book of Rabbi Zevin. He writes very encyclopedic. He has a whole encyclopedic idea of what it means. The whole story.
You don't have to get that book.
You don't have to get the book. Open up the Shulchan Aruch. It tells you exactly what to do. Hashem Adon HaKol, V'yoyiviyah Elokeinu HaKol Yochol Yiviyah, Echad, and how you say it, and what you feel. It tells you, it's all in Shulchan Aruch. There's no secrets about it. What do I learn from this? That you need every time, especially in time of when in Churban, to re-identify with the beginning part of Shema Yisrael. That's why when you train the kids at night, you train them to say Shema Yisrael in the morning, Shema Yisrael. Even non-religious people teach the Shema Yisrael. Somehow. Because they know somehow in the DNA, in the genes that we're close from Mashiach to Mashiach times. It's not part of your blood, an identity. Rabbi Zimmer learns a little further. What makes a Jew? He says, who's a Jew? Very interesting. Of course, you have to be born by Jewish parents. Those who identify themselves as a Jew. The Yeshiva Salam, the Rabbi brings it down in one of his books, famous word, Chiddush, he brings down the Rambam. A Jew is somebody who identifies himself with the Jewish people and the God. The God is a Jew. This is a Jew. This is a Jew. Now, let's say I'm a Jew and I don't identify with the Jewish people, or God is not my God. They don't follow His rules. How much you follow or don't follow is not the problem. The problem is, what is your commitment of identify who you are? Who you are is Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, is who you are. It's an identity. If you don't get that identity, you're out of the line. Yes.
So does that mean that, according to Mussar, we're supposed to create an identity crisis? Because here they thought they had an identity, but Hashem made it into an identity crisis. So what if a person thinks he's a Jew or he thinks he's...
So I'll ask you a simple question. What Ben Tziyon is? When you say Shema Yisrael, what are you saying? Is it words, mulamada, a habit, Hashem, or did you get your identity from it? At that time, Shema, what happens? You now say, yes, I'm part of your nation, and you're my God. What's your God? I mean, one God, you run and control the world. Is that what you're saying in Shema Yisrael? What does that mean? Shema Yisrael, Hashem Echad. Am I saying it loud enough for my friend to hear? Am I saying with kavana? Am I saying, what are you doing? Time to mitzvah? What are you saying? What are you doing? So according to here, you have to do an identity. It's an identity. It's echad. And if you look into the Siddur, and you have to read the 10 psukim of Ol Malchus Shamayim, which is one of them, Maisha. Shema Yisrael Hashem Echad is one of the psukim, right? One of the 10 psukim of Malchus. That's Ol Malchus Shamayim, and El Malchus Shamayim, Malchus Hashem, and that's what it means. You put Hashem upon yourself. Ol Malchus Shamayim is Shema Yisrael. That's an identity. And then Ol Malchus Shamayim means what? I accept God to be my God, and I'm His nation. That's exactly me. To say, listen, I wear the badge. Shema Yisrael. That's not what it means to say is that I accepted upon myself that Hashem is one, and He runs me. That's what has to be in the mind. And that has to be thought of. It has to be part of the thing. Not just words. We train the kids to say, but that's really our identity. We say it, have to make it our identity. Especially in these times. Usually we start off with saying, what do you handle life? I say, Mishir, what is my job? I said, no, I want to go a step different. You start off not you have to say, who am I? Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu. I have to have identity first, and then I can say, now that I have that identity, what's my choy? But I have to have an identity first. Without an identity, it doesn't work. And maybe one of our problems is in doing the work. When yesterday talked to you son how to get energy. Maybe the problem is we don't have that identity clear in our brain. That this is what we are and who we are. When you get that identity, then you can have machavasa b'lama. And then they're easy for Churban. My nation had a Churban. Not it happened in history. And I'm a Jew and it's somehow I'm related to my father. I'm around and I happen to be in Yeshiva. This is what we do religiously. My nation got destroyed. The temple of my nation got destroyed. The Almighty, my God, kicked us out of Israel. And my God wants us, we have to cry. What is He doing? Not that God in history. My cow. Not his cow, or history cow, or social cow. My nation, me, my nation, and my God. That makes it much stronger, more. That's an identity problem. And the identity problem, in order to be saved, it seems to how you're going to be saved. To hold on to God, God will go. So how does God guide you over the bridge? When you identify with Him, totally with Shema Yisrael, the total identity, then He'll take you over. Without that, you're not going to be taken over. The bridge. And that's what it says at the end of time. Tzaddik Memnos Yichil. Well, it means one thing, Emunah, what? That we're His nation, He's our God, and we follow Him totally. And what do you do? Emunah, we have to follow Him over the bridge. The Goyim follow over the bridge, and what happens? They fall into Gehenna. We have to follow Him over the bridge and pass the bridge. And it's not going to turn into a tightrope that we fall in, yes.
How come when we see in the Jewish people, we see sub-identities? Scythian, Snagin, Sephardim, Mizrahi, Charedim. How come the identity, peak identity is that, we're a Shema Yisrael, so why do we have that?
We go to all the Hasidim, they'll always say at the end, we want to help Klal Yisrael, all Jews. Well, who do they take in? Oh, you get punished. Somehow when they come in, they discriminate.
It comes out, the animals come out with the they all agree. That my answer to you is how come there's a subculture? Means it's wrong. You have to have one, giving the other only technical. But for them, the Minhagim become an Ika. And the Ika is the Ika, and the couple is the Ika. And Ika they forget about it. And that's the problem. That's exactly the problem.
Sinas Chinam. It's the same problem, 2,000 years.
Yeah. It's a hard problem. And I hope with this insight we can makabel upon ourselves our identity, again, Shema Yisrael, and then be able to feel it's our Churban, and we have to really pray to bring our Beis HaMikdash come in, and our God will come and see in the world. Hashem Echad in the whole world. Our God, the God of the Jews, the world will see and recognize that He's one. Not in general, our God, my people. And we have that identity, and we can have more betochen to follow Hashem. Okay.